Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We'll give 2, 3 more minutes for us to join. Have you guys logged in from your home or are you in institute today? Hello. Guys, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
Pankaj, like, are you guys from joining institute or from your home?
From home, sir.
home, sir.
Okay, because I see only 3 participants. That's what I'm just wanted to double check with you guys. Like, shall we wait or we can proceed further? Okay, let's start now. So, any idea like what we discussed last time? Guys, 1 minute. I'm getting a call. 1 minute. Hello. Okay, let's start the session now. I don't know how about others. Okay, so so what did we discuss last time in our last class? Any idea?
So discuss about view tab.
View tab. Okay. And what else after view tab? Because I understand that this view tab can be covered only in 20-30 minutes. After this, I think we discuss about formula part also, right? No, sorry. Formula part already completed, right? Tell me, guys. I can't remember like for each and every
No,
batch.
no, sir. Formula batch is not completed.
Now you tell me. View tab after view tab, what we discuss? Accordingly, I can guide you because view tab completed already. Then how about review tab? No, right? Not yet.
No, sir. No, not completed.
Okay, so let me discuss this review tab today. And what did I mention? Like, okay, next class we'll discuss this and that. Like, did I mention anything? No.
No, sir.
Did I mention that next class we'll discuss about formula? We'll start the formula section. Did I discuss? No. Okay, let's discuss the review tab now first. Okay. So review tab means like what happens? Let me take one data set. Hope you can see my screen. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, and see, since now it will be online class only every day. So I want the confirmation whenever I'm asking something, you guys, you have to respond quickly. I should not repeat myself that is it okay, okay, like that. No, you have to respond quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. If you do
Yes,
not
sir.
know the answer, tell me, okay, no, sir, no idea. Please explain whatever you want. Tell me, I will explain you. Don't worry. But if I'm asking something, you should say yes or no, whatever I'm asking, as per the question, you respond. I should not repeat myself again and again. Is it okay? Is it okay? If you will not respond, the session will be very slow and I'll be feel irritated. Okay. Hope it is clear with everyone. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So like whenever you are speaking, just unmute yourself and speak up. If you're not speaking, then please go on mute. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now review tab. In review tab, let's suppose you worked on a project. The project was given to you and the project timing was 120 minutes. What happened is that let's suppose you were good in Excel and you have worked in Excel and you were just thinking that instead of taking 120 minutes, let me finish this task within 30 minutes. You worked on it. After that, you save the file, close the file. You save the file and close the file and you went on a break. Then after 2 hours, your boss asked you, hey, let's discuss the data set, whatever you have worked on it. And then what happened? You worked on the data set, save it, close it, and then when he opened the file from the meeting room, you were also sitting beside him. Then he opened the file and then he found some breaks in the file. Breaks nothing but let's suppose if you are working in accounting team, reconciliation team, you reconciled all the balances, but when you were sitting with your boss, then when you open the file, what happened is that the balances are not matching. Balances are not matching because of when you close the file, when you went on break, might be your colleague, he or she opened the file intentionally or not intentionally. They manipulated the data. They manipulated the data, and that's how again there is a break. Because you understand that if one figure will be changed, definitely there will be balance, right? Passbook versus cash book, right? Happen.
Yeah.
One entry is there in the passbook, one entry is not there in the cache book, or one figure is changed in cache book, one digit is changed in the cache book, definitely that will not be reconciled in the books, in accounting books. That's what it happened. That's what it happened. So always remember that whenever, if the data is very critical and you're thinking that it has to be protected. In that case, what you can do is you can protect the sheet. Let's suppose your working file is this. Example, this is your working file, and after working on this file, this sheet has to be protected so that no one can enter anything. No one can enter anything, right? Let's suppose you have worked on this file and someone intentionally or not intentionally changed this figure from 16 to 56. 16 to 56. Okay. Now balances were not matching. In that case, how can you show that no one should be or no one cannot edit or add any data set in the sheet? In this case, what we can do is we can protect a sheet. Protect a sheet. Either you can right click on it and click on protect sheet, or go to review ribbon and go to protect sheet here. Both the options. If I click on it, this window will be appearing. Okay. Or if I right click on it, protect sheet, this window will be appearing. Okay. Now I will go with this protect sheet. I'm giving password 1, 2, 3, hit OK. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Now, if I want to change this number to 16 to 56. Okay, Appa, so I'm on the cab to office from 9 to 11, so I'll keep sure. Yeah, Appa. Okay, so now if I change this to 16 to 56, see, I'm not able to make changes. Why? Because this file is now in which mode? Which mode now?
Protection.
Production mode, yes. Done. Now this time you are good, yes, because I know this process. I will protect the file because lesson learned. Last time it happened. Someone changed the numbers and again I need to work on it. But I have now learned the lesson and definitely next time I'll take care of it. I will protect the sheet. This is what you have learned. Because we know from our mistake only and we learn from our mistakes. Until unless if you will not try, if you will not, I'm not saying if you're not doing any mistake, I'm not talking about the mistakes, but definitely if you're doing something, okay, if it is going wrong, definitely we learn from something, from wrong thing, that okay, this is what I have done and this is what it happened. Albert Einstein, how many times he got failed in order to prepare a bulb, electric bulb? Any idea?
Thomas Edison, sir, 1,000 times.
Yes, 999 times
Eh.
he got failed. 999 times he got failed. And you know how he changed the sentence from the 999 to one time, you know? He just told that I got to know that 999 times I got to know that how I cannot prepare a bulb. And one time I got to know that how can I create a bulb. Yeah. Yes. And also there is one saying is that if you're not taking a risk, take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide, right? Same thing happens also here. Errors happens, yes, but we learn something for sure. This time you did it But what happens is that next time you protect the file. Okay, perfectly fine. But what happened? Next time someone use this. Which one? This one. What is it?
Delete.
Although I cannot enter anything, that's fine. I cannot enter anything, fine. But look at here. Someone has deleted the sheet itself. Yes. You have protected the file, but someone has deleted the sheet itself. Then nothing can be done. He or she deleted the sheet, save the file, close the file. When you were with your boss, okay, let's open the file. You open the file and you will blank out. Oh my God, what happened? I saved the file, but where's the file? Where's the sheet? Gone. Again, you will feel irritated. Again, you will feel frustrated. Again, you have to work on it, right? So nothing but this is called first level protection. Second level protection will be protect the workbook structure level. This time I will say 1, 2, 3, hit OK. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Now, protection structure wise workbooks level, I have now protected the sheet. If I right click on it now, can you see? Delete option.
No.
No, right? Now I cannot delete it.
What is that select all sheets at the bottom?
Select all means select all, everything is selected.
Okay.
If you want to protect each and every sheet, then use this word select all and then you can protect it.
Okay.
But currently which sheet is protected as of now?
Page layout.
Yes. Clear?
Yeah.
Now this second level. Third level is I want to protect or encrypt a file. Encryption. See, this is called protect sheet. This option is called protect a workbook structure level. Okay. Third one is I want to give a password to a file, because see, let's suppose in this file I have so many tabs, right? I have so many tabs. I have only protected this sheet, not the other sheets. But let's suppose, what if someone is trying to open a file, right? That time itself, he or she should not be able to open it. Means it should ask for the password. Best example, your bank statement. When you open the bank statement through email, what happens? Ask for the password, yes or no?
Yep.
Same thing I want here also. Let me save this file, close the file. Save and close. Let me open the file. 1 minute. File, let's suppose the file is here. This is the file. Let me open it. Did it ask for the password?
No.
No. But let me go back to file ribbon, info, protect workbook, encrypt with password. The moment I click on it, first read this message. Read it. If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. Very, very important. It's very, very important. If you have encrypted the file and if you've forgotten the password, do not reach out to Rexlytics or to me. Sir, I forgot the password. Can you please help? No, nothing can be done. This password, no one can retrieve. This password. If you've forgotten the password, you are gone. Nothing can be done. Now let me close this file. Save and close. Let me open the file again. Did it ask for the password?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, hit OK. Opening now. This encryption password cannot be retrieved. So whenever you are giving this password, please make sure that you remember it. Then only go ahead with this. These two passwords, unprotect sheet, this password, or workbook level, structure level password. These two can be retrieved and can be retrieved, change, remove, can be done with the help of macro. That is possible, but not that encryption.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, in the encryption level, can we delete the workbook itself, or it will ask the password?
Encryption level,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we're talking about, let's suppose if this file is encrypted with the password, right?
Yes. Delete. If it is deleted, can we delete that or not?
Until it will delete it, yes.
We
But
can
I will
delete that.
but I will tell you, what happens. If someone will delete the file, na, definitely that file will be there in the server, right? And that can be
Okay.
retrieved. That can be retrieved with the help of IT team, and definitely we can understand or we can know that okay, who deleted the file. Then that person will be gone in the process. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
Mm,
Got it, sir. Thank
yeah.
you.
Let's suppose this book 4. Let me open this live example. I'll show
Okay.
you.
Sir, 1 second, sir. So, do we have any password protection to delete the file?
Password protector. No. So I'll tell you. Example. This is the book 4. I'm going to save it, right? Info protect workbook encryption with password. Password 1, 2,
Yes.
3. Okay. Password 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1 minute. This is wrong password. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Now this is book 4. Let me save and close this file. Done. Now if I delete this, right?
Mhm.
Book 4. Deleted.
Okay.
It can be deleted. But what I'm saying is, if
Mhm.
I have deleted this file from the shared drive,
We can get that.
it can be recovered. This file can be recovered from the help of IT team, because everything will be there in the recycle of shared drive bin.
Okay. Okay.
That we can understand that who deleted that file.
Okay.
User ID wise we can check it.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Welcome.
By any chance, can we create a backup of a file in a different location?
Backup of a file, I would say that let's suppose this is the file, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what I have done personally is I do not take a backup of the file, but in case if I have another version of this file, example, this is the file. Let me open it. This is the file, right?
Yeah.
And if I save this file with a different name, with different folder, example.
Okay.
In that case, let's suppose yesterday I have worked on this file, okay, and after 2 days, I have saved this file to a different folder,
Okay.
and that file is this file. What I can do is I can right click on it and say properties, and here it will find previous versions. Can you see here? But it doesn't have any previous version. Previous version means 2 days back. As of today is 29. As of 27, I want that file 11:59 p.m. IST time. Last time when this file got changed, when the file was saved, that version I want. In that case, the previous version will be showing here, date and time. I can choose that particular date and time, and I can say restore. So whatever changes happened that time, those changes will be there, and it can be retrieved. But to answer your question, Backup in the sense, might be backup if you want to have a backup. Yeah, copy the file and save to your personal drive, D drive, C drive, wherever you want, or your personal folder.
No. So what example is? So both of you and me are working, and the workbook is in a shared mode. You can
Mhm.
also do the changes. I can also do the changes.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, you did your work and you left for the day, and the other person is who is also working on the shared work.
Mhm.
So mistakenly he deletes the file.
Okay.
So he loses his data, and you also lose your data. So
Yes.
if we can create a backup of the same file with the changes or last saved data, whatever you or he did before deleting the file.
Mm.
So in that way, can we create a backup of that file
No, backup
in
in
a
the
different
sense.
location?
No, that is not possible. The only thing is, if you want to save your work, and you want to have protect your work, the only thing is, I can understand your point. In shared drive file is there. What if someone delete my work? Definitely that cannot be recovered. Yes, true. That's true. In order to avoid that, what you can do is just copy your data set and paste into a different place. That's it. Otherwise, no other solutions.
Okay.
But in shared file also, I can tell you that okay, who made the changes last time? That name can be tracked from here on. From security, last change by, last saved by. The name will be here.
Okay.
Last saved date will be here and name will be here. Username will be here, date will be here. Okay, fair enough.
Yep.
Okay, done. Now we discuss about the protection level, nothing but sheet level, workbook level, and encryption level. Done. Now, next. The next is
You're saying about retrieving
retrieving password.
at the protection and the protection workbook level, not at the encryption. You're saying that, and we change the topic again. So with the help of macro, it
Yes,
is
with the help of macros, these two password can be retrieved, but not the encryption level, not this password.
okay.
This is not possible. When you when you just choose it, you see here, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. Yes, it can't. Not possible. But this and this two things can be done. Okay, good. All set.
No.
All good, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, now next is, let me open that data. Yes, this is the example. Let's suppose, okay, by the way, see, now this file is protected. How can I unprotect it? Again, I can click on unprotect. I can give password 123. Hit okay. Same thing, protection workbook level also, you can just give a password. That's it. Now, my question here is, the question is this. In this yellow highlighted area, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. There are 8 cells. Okay. Let's suppose you are the class teacher. You are the class teacher, and principal has sent you one Excel file. They've asked you that, can you please fill in these information? Can you please fill in these information for me? And your principal has protected the entire sheet except these cells. It means you can only enter data, delete data, enter data, insert, delete. You can do it in these insert, edit, delete. These three operations you can apply in this range, but nowhere else. But nowhere else. Insert, update, delete. That you can do it, but not to any other place in this sheet. Sheet name is review. In that case, what we can do is we can use this option, allow edit ranges. Allow edit ranges. I can click on this. It will delete this. Already I've created this in another batch. Delete it. Now click on new. Range. What is your range? My range is this. This is my range. Select it. Range name. Range name I'm giving, let's suppose class teacher CT to update. Class teacher to update. Done. Range password. Nothing but this range password. If you are going to update, delete, insert, update, delete. If you are going to apply any of these operations in this highlighted range, then it should ask for the password to you. Okay. That password you can also have it. That is additional option here. Let's suppose I do not want to give that password here. I'll say okay. I'll say apply and okay. Done. Now this range I have given the edit ranges to allow, but let me also protect the sheet. First you need to apply allow edit ranges. After that 100% you need to protect the sheet also, right? So 1, 2, 3, hit okay. 1, 2, 3, hit okay. Now this entire sheet is protected. Can you see here? It's protected now. Entire sheet is protected at this range. I have chosen as a allow edit ranges. Now you try. Now you try here. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Not allowed. A, C. But here, fee deposit, yes. Student to fee deposit, no. Yes. Yes. Eligible for
Can we do a
exam.
copy paste?
Sorry.
Can we do
Yes.
copy paste
Yes, you can do.
from
Let's
this range
suppose
to a different range?
this range to different range.
Yes,
No, that is not possible.
which is protected. No,
No, that is not possible. I'll give example. Let's suppose this is edit ranges, right? If I copy this and paste it here, this is what I want to do.
yeah.
It won't. See,
No.
if I copy this, Control C, put my cursor here, Control V, not possible. Okay. In this stage, I can do copy paste. See, Control C and Control V I can do here. Control C, Control V, it's possible, but not out of the range. Good. All set.
Yes.
First, define the range. After that, protect the sheet. But let's suppose you want to also add the password here also. In this range also, if I'm entering something for this range also, password should be there. That is also possible. First, let me unprotect it. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Allow it ranges. This password I can give. Where? Permissions. 1 minute, sorry, not permission. Go here, modify. Here I can give this range password. Let's suppose I'm giving A, B, C, small a, B, C, hit OK. A, B, C, hit OK. Done. Apply, protect sheet. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hit OK. Now, if I want to change this yes to no, if I say no, done. 1 minute. This is my range. Modify. Okay, this range password should be this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hit OK. Okay. Apply. Okay. Protect sheet. 1, 2, 3. This password is to protect the file. The previous password for the range. If I say A, it is alarming, by the way. It should ask for the password. No?
You have to save it and close it and open.
No. That is not the case. It should ask for the password basically. unprotect 1 2 3, hit OK. Here I am able to do it now because I just unprotected. OK, done. Now let me select this range, allow it ranges B52, C53, B52, C53. OK, done. Let me delete it. I will reapply again. New range is this only. Range password. OK. 1 2 3, hit OK. 1 2 3, hit OK. Apply. OK. Protect sheet. 1 2 3, hit OK. 1 2 3, hit OK. Now you try. If I say A, oh my god, what's happening here? It should ask for the range password. I don't know. No, this is only password. I don't know, but it should work. Try once.
Or do we need to give a different password for workbook and a different password for range?
I don't think, but
Because
can
both the
try.
passwords are same.
I don't think that will be the challenge, but see here, to delete new range is this only range password. Let's suppose range password I'm giving 987. Range password 987. Hit OK. 987. Hit OK. Paste okay. Specify no, this is okay. This is okay. Apply. Okay, this is apply. Then say protect sheet. 1 2 3, hit OK. 1 2 3, hit OK. Now you try. I don't know why it's not working, but it should work. Can you try in your system and let me know by tomorrow? We'll discuss it again. Okay.
Sure.
This is how you can do it. Okay. Let's not waste our time on this because it works. I don't know why it's not working here, but it works. Just try it once today in your system and we can discuss it again tomorrow. Okay. Any questions so far? This part is done. And by the way, I told you that another way to do it is, let's suppose this, and I will just enter this into new workbook. This is a newly workbook. Okay. And when we discuss this as part of our previous class, what is shortcut key of format cells? Shortcut key of format cells. This one, this window I want to get with the help of shortcut key.
Control+1, sir.
Exactly. Control 1.
Control
Yes.
one.
Yes. Control 1. If I say control 1, we discussed number, alignment, font, border, fill. I told you that this part we'll discuss later. I told you, right? Protection part, right? I told you when we discussed everything, this one, this. About this, I told you that we'll discuss this as part of review tab. So today we are
Yes,
discussing
yes,
review
sir.
tab. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about the review tab. So that also option I'll discuss now. Let's suppose here I have, this is my range. This is my range. If I put my cursor here, if I say control 1, protection, what is the default? Tick here, locked, this cell. If I say control 1, this is also locked. So by default, each and every cell is locked by default. But I will just unlock this range. Control 1, I will say unlocked this range, hit OK. And I will simply hide the protection. So now, sorry, not hide. Now I will protect the worksheet. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, hit OK. If I try here, if I write A, B, but here, if I write A, B, 1, anything, yeah, everything is now working fine here. Yeah, this is another way to do it. Same edit ranges you can do from here, or you can also do it from here. But for this, what we need to do? the particular range, whatever range you want to allow it ranges, that range has to be unlocked first and then protection. That's it. Okay. Now next is this. Let's suppose first, is it a protected sheet? Tell me yes or no. Is it protected, right? Because see here unprotect, right? Let me unprotect this. 1, 2, 3. Hit OK. Now, if I'm putting my cursor here, do we have a formula to this cell?
Yes.
This cell?
Yes.
This cell?
Yes.
Okay. Let me remove the formula. How can I remove this formula? How can I change the formula to values?
Paste special.
Exactly. Control C, Alt E. Values. Okay. Done. Now here and here I have a formula. Let me just give a color to this so that you will understand it. Okay. Yellow color. In this yellow color, I have a formula, but not in this. If I protect the sheet, 1, 2, 3, hit OK. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Can you see the formula here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
Why not here? Formula was there, right? Initially? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So how can I hide the formula? See, even in fact, it's protected. But still people can see the formula like this. Okay, this is coming from A11 to A20. Okay, A11 to A20. Yes. That's how they can see the formula. But I also want to highlight that formula as well. How can I do that is, let me unprotect it first, unprotect sheet. 2, 3, hit OK. Okay. I want to hide this formula also. In this case, what I can do is Control 1 and I will go with this option. Can you see the second one?
Hidden.
Hidden. Choose it, hit OK. Now you hide it. Entire sheet. Protect sheet. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Now you try. Can you see the formula here now?
No.
No. If you want to make it visible, again, same thing. Control 1. First, let me unprotect it. 1, 2, 3. Control 1, and then you can do untick this. Is it okay? Yes, no.
Do we need to protect and hide, or can we just do hidden the formulas?
No, see, if you just hide it, can you see what is it now? Hidden. It okay. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Yes. To answer your question, yes, we have to protect it.
Okay.
Yeah. Done. Now this review, sorry, spelling, thesaurus, these things. You know, what happens? Example, if you worked on a file, let's suppose this is the final output. Everything you did great. Everything was fine. The only thing is the headers spelling was wrong. You send this file to your client was appreciating your work, a big appreciation email, you got it, but in the last they mentioned that can you please resend this file to me after changing or after editing the headers spelling. होता है कभी कभी, सब कुछ अच्छा करते हैं लेकिन कई बार स्पेलिंग गलत कर लिख देते हैं अपन, राइट? होता है ना? I'll tell you one thing, MCQs are always better than the description. MCQs में क्या है, ऑप्शन देना पड़ता है ABCOD, that's it. But descriptive पेपर में क्या रहता है, लिखना पड़ता है अपने को, right? If you have good sound knowledge, definitely that person will pass. But if you do not have a good writing skills, or if you do not remember the spellings, what happens? तुम्हारे मार्क्स कट जाते हैं वहीं पे। वाई? बिकॉज एमसीक्यूज में क्या है, आपने कुछ भी नहीं है, बस पता टिक करना है, राइट? बट इन डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर you to write it, and there you can commit a mistake, right? Same thing here also. Wrong spelling of the headers. In that case, what you can do, select the headers and you can go with. By the way, tell me why it is not showing the spelling.
All
Any
the
idea?
spellings are correct.
No, 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 no. This is protected. That's what not showing this option. See, can you see here?
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, hit OK. Now can you see? Highlighted, right? The shortcut key for spelling is F7. This F7 will be working on email, in Word, nothing but all the Microsoft applications, the same F7 will be working. Shortcut key F7 you can use in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access database, wherever you want. Same shortcut key F7. Or click on it. If I click on it, do you see any wrong spelling here?
No.
You will get the error message unless if you do not have that special word in dictionary. Yeah. So let's suppose discount, I am just giving wrong spelling here. If this word is there in dictionary, then it will not be throwing error. But if this word is not itself in dictionary, then it will be throwing an error. Got it? Spelling. Can you see now? Which one you want to select? These three suggestions it's giving you. You want to choose this, this, this. My requirement is this. Choose it and say change. Change. See, discount. Thesaurus is nothing but it's kind of synonyms. You can use it. These things we are not using it. I never used. Comment. Comment wise, let's suppose this is my file. I'm putting my cursor here. A1. I'm choosing next comment, this one. Next comment, this one. Next comment, this one. Delete comment, previous next. Edit comment, you can edit it. Show all comments. Hide all comments. Show all comments. Show, don't show. Show hide comment. This comment is showing now. I want to hide this. If I have not click on hide again, it will not be hidden. Again, I have to click on it. Done. Review part is done. Any questions, guys?
Sir, what is smart lookup and translate?
I never used. I don't know what is it all about. Smart lookup, nothing but it's kind of like it will give you like insights kind of thing. Let's suppose if I want to use any query here, the query is what is let's suppose I want to search for any word. What is goal seek? Can you see here? Result?
Okay, it is from Google search, right? Means they are internet. They are
Is it
searching through internet, right?
Pankaj?
Yes, sir.
क्लास में बोलता हूँ ना सर ये क्या है सर ये नहीं बताया आपने.
और सर एक check accessibility means
हाँ वो क्या होता है बेसिकली इसमें भी आपको तुम्हें इसमें पता लगाना है मेरे को. लेट्स सपोज चेक एक्सेलेबिलिटी इसमें क्या यहाँ पे एट टाइम इंस्पेक्शन उसमें कुछ एरर वगैरह है फाइल है तो वो दिखाता है अपने को. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल यहाँ पे एरर है. रिव्यू डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट होम टैब इसमें इफ आई क्लिक ऑन इट होम टैब ऑब्जेक्ट ये पता नहीं कुछ एरर है बताता है बट I don't know what is it all about. कभी यूज नहीं करा. शीट नेम शीट 1. अब शीट 1 है, डिफॉल्ट नेम क्या है यहाँ पे, इसका कुछ नेम नहीं. रिकमेंडेड एक्शंस क्या है, इसको नेम करो. पता है ये शीट 1 है ना, यहाँ पे अपने को सजेशंस बता रहा है कि भाई ये वार्निंग है. यहाँ पे क्या है कि शीट 1 ना तुमने नाम दिया है, बट आई डू नॉट सी एनी नेम particular name to the sheet. You can just rename it. See, recommended action is what? Rename sheet. So review and view tab, please. We have already completed this for this. Data also completed. Insert also completed. Insert completed, right? Or not completed? Insert already we completed this, na?
Yes, sir.
Like I showed you how to insert pictures, shapes, and
We are completed, but we are not completed charts as charts.
Yes, sir. Charts, bar graphs.
yes. Charts is pending. Pivot is also pending. Don't worry. Yeah. Now the next is review view. Why I'm getting this?
I think you have to close it at the right hand. Accessibility.
That one. Done. Okay. Yes. So now let's discuss about. If you look at here, Excel training wala sheet. Excel file 1. This is the one. We discuss everything here until data tab, advanced filter, everything we discuss here. Now I directly go ahead and I open that particular sheet, like insert tab, data, review view tab, that also we discuss. Now what I am going to do here is I will discuss about formulas. For formulas we need to use this, use formula sheet. Okay, sheet number 2 we will use it, formulas. I close this number 1, close this also, don't save, close this also, don't save. Okay, close this also. Now number 2. Now this number 2 file will be there for next 5 to 7 days. Already we completed this one. Now we are moving to this one, number 2. Let's open this. Now we are going to enter formula section. Very, very important. Let me open this 1 minute. Yep. First of all, I have a question to you. What is the formula?
Calculation.
Calculation, yes. Okay.
Set of rules.
Select top rows.
Set of rules. Set of rules.
Set up rules. Okay. Okay, good. What else? I see active participation, most of the guys. Yukti, why are you so silent?
Finding the solution, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Finding the solutions, perfect. Mrityunjay?
Yes, sir.
Any idea what is the formula?
Applying the logics to get the outcome.
Yes, excellent. Guys, am I clearly audible? My voice is loud and clear, or it's very low? Okay,
yes, sir.
It's okay.
perfect. Okay. Good answers, yeah. So nothing but formula. See, like whenever we are preparing any goods also, right? First of all, what do? We are buying raw material happens, right? After that, work in progress WIP. After that, finished goods happens. Raw material, WIP, finished goods. In WIP, nothing but work in progress. What happens? The formula or the process happens. Let's suppose best example. If I will prepare a tire, I have a tire company. But the tire company, what I have to buy? Rubber. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rubber, right? So rubber is the raw material. Let's suppose I have a company MRF, Madras Rubber Factory. Yes or no?
Yes.
That company I have. I will buy some raw material. Rubber is raw material. Then I will be, my team will be working on it. They'll be applying some, extra efforts to this in order to prepare tire. They will be putting those raw material into machines and everything. Then finished goods will be tire. Same thing. But in order to prepare that particular tire, what we are putting our efforts, our input, yes or no? We are responsible for the input. Then only finished goods will be prepared. Same thing in Excel also. We are responsible to provide input. And if the input is right, input is good, then it will throw us or it will give us the desired output by the Excel. Nothing but formula is a process. Formula is a process wherein we are responsible for input and it will be processed by the system and it will give us the desired output as per our requirement. Got it? That is called formula. Formula is a process, input, calculate, output. Yeah. Now, let's discuss few things here. Let me open a new workbook. Here I am writing few numbers, 10, number 20, number 30. 10, 20, 30. Here I'll write SUM, or let me write here, 1 minute. Let me write SUM sum. Sum number 1, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Sum of these three numbers. Result is 60. Result is 60. Here, SUM. And this time I'm not going to write these numbers manually. I'll select the range. I select the range reference. What is the reference here?
C2 to C4.
Exactly. Same result. Guys, today's class is very, very important. Okay. See, for each and every subject, if you are clear with your fundamentals, definitely you are going to have a sound grip or sound knowledge on that particular subject. Example, accounting. If you do not know the three golden rules of accounting, you cannot pass a journal entry. If you cannot pass a journal entry, then nothing can be done. You cannot prepare anything if you're not good in journal entries.
Yes, sir.
Second example, if you do not know the table of 2 from 2 to 10, definitely you cannot work on mathematics. Yes or no? Same
Yes.
thing here also. Same thing here also. If you are not clear with the formula introduction, if you do not know how to, or what are the input ways, what are the reference styles, and if you cannot understand the syntax of the formula, then definitely there are so many functions available in Excel which you cannot remember. The only easiest thing is if you know simple English, how to read that set require as part of the formula section. If you can read the syntax, that only I want. And trust me, by end of this class today, you guys will only tell me that yes, now we are clear on this concept, and we can proceed with the formula tomorrow. You guys will only tell me. So just listen carefully that what I'm going to explain you. Okay. Now, third is this. sum of 10, 20, max of these numbers. Tell me, maximum number of this number is, this range is
30.
30.
done. 60, 60, 60. Here I put this number manually, 10, 20, 30. I put these numbers as a manual
Manual.
number. Yes or no?
Yes.
M-A-N-U-A-L, manual. This number I did not write manually, I took as a reference. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is called
Reference.
reference. Here I have two formulas. Inner formula is
Manual.
max. Outer formula is
Sum.
sum formula. If I ask you one thing, input ways, how many types? Three
Three
types.
types.
Three types. What are those?
Manual,
Manual
reference,
Reference.
and
Formula.
if you cannot remember like this, remember this thing, MRF. Remember this word, manual reference formula. Best example for formula I gave from rubber to tire. The same thing you can remember for input ways, MRF. What is this? MRF, manual, reference, and
reference,
formula.
formula.
Manual, reference, and formula. If I ask you, what are those three types of input ways? You will tell me MRF, manual, reference, and formula. Manual, reference, and formula. Good to go?
Yep.
Good to go, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Sorry, guys. I have sore throat. 1 minute. Yeah. Now here, if I write sum function, sum of number 1, comma, then number 2, comma, dot. There are 3 dots in the end. Can you see these 3 dots in the end?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same thing I'll write here. COUNT. Can you see 3 dots in the last?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same thing. MAX, max. Can you see 3 dots in the last?
Yes.
Okay. Min. Can you see 3 dots in the last?
Yes.
Okay, done. Now let's see this. What do you see? Do you see the 3 dots in the last?
No.
No. Yes. So what I'm going to explain here is, if you see 3 dots in the end, it means that function, that formula is unlimited, or many argument function. Now this sum function is many argument function, or you can call it, this sum function is unlimited argument function. Unlimited argument. How many arguments can you see here? Number 1, comma, number 2, comma, dash. I can write n number of times, not only 1, 2, I can write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? N number of, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
It means if you see these three dots in the end, that function is called as a unlimited argument function. Which function?
Unlimited argument.
Yes. Same thing if I write here, count, C-O-U-N-T, count, 10, 20, can you see these three dots in the end?
Yeah.
If I say count of these three, result will be 3 only, right?
Yes.
3 numbers. If I write count of this, how many numbers?
3 numbers.
3. Tell me, input way, is it manual, is it reference?
It's a manual.
Okay, tell me, this
It's
one.
reference.
Exactly.
Reference.
Tell me, count function is a limited or unlimited?
Unlimited argument.
Limited, sir.
Yeah, sum function, limited and limited.
Unlimited.
Limited.
Tell me sum if
Limited.
Limited.
limited. But I have one question here. Now we are clear with limited and unlimited. You are clear with manual reference formula. Excellent. Now I have one question. Sum. Number 1, comma. With number 1, I do not see that square bracket, right? But with number 2, I can see the square bracket. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes.
It means number 1. I am giving number 1, 10. That's it. And close parenthesis. Sum of 10. Result will be 10 only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Still working fine. It means whatever argument, see, in this case, this is unlimited argument function. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. It means in the sum function, if I write the sum function here, whatever is showing in square bracket, guys, again I'm repeating, whatever is showing in square bracket, that is your optional argument. That is your optional argument. Whatever is not showing in square bracket, that is your mandatory argument. That is your mandatory. But whatever is showing in square bracket, that will be your optional argument. If you are not giving that optional, still system can work. See, I'm giving here sum of 30. Result is 30 only. Yeah. Now you tell me. Just tell me, limited and limited.
Unlimited.
How many arguments?
Unlimited.
Unlimited argument. How many mandatory?
1 mandate.
Exactly. And everyone has to respond. Not a single person, everyone has to respond. Okay. Now I'm going to write few functions here, and then you need to tell me. Tell me this function. Limited and limited.
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 How many arguments?
1 argument.
1.
Why 1?
We don't have any square bracket.
No, guys. After comma, range comma criteria. It means how many arguments?
2 arguments.
2 arguments. Always remember, when comma ends, it means 1 argument. Range comma 1 argument. Criteria, second argument. How many arguments?
2
arguments.
2 arguments.
How many mandatory?
1.
Why 1?
So square bracket is an optional one, but we don't have any square bracket.
Then both are mandatory, na?
Yeah.
If you see anything in square bracket, that will be your optional argument. Simple Ganita, simple math. If you do not see square bracket, it means all the arguments are mandatory. Clear?
Yeah.
Sir.
Now tell me how many arguments?
Single
How many
argument.
Two
Two arguments.
How many mandatory?
2.
2 mandatory, yes. If I ask you this question, tell me how many arguments? Limited or limited?
Limited.
Limited.
How many
Limited.
arguments? How many arguments?
2.
3, 4,
Why 2, guys?
3, sir.
3.
3.
Ah,
The range
range.
criteria, some
1.
range.
Ah, confused too. 3 arguments. Tell me how many mandatory?
2.
2. How many optional?
1.
1.
Tell me how many are limited and limited?
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Okay. Mandatory, how many arguments?
2 arguments.
Yes, all are mandatory. Because that dot is there, right? Now tell me, look up. Tell me, limited and limited.
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 How many arguments?
1, 2, 3.
5.
Take your time. I'll give 10 seconds. Keep your answer with yourself. Okay, then tell me. Only single
sir.
time right answer. Single time right answer I'll ask. I'll not ask again and again. Take 10 seconds from now. Keep your answer with yourself. Okay, then I'll ask. Tell me, guys. Okay, Yukti, tell me. Yukti.
Sir, repeat the question.
Question is, in this VLOOKUP function, you told me that's a limited function. Okay. Now I'm asking how many arguments in total?
4, sir.
4. Okay. How many mandatory?
3.
How many optional?
1.
Yes. Everyone agree to this, or someone is saying something different? Tell me. If anyone is against to this answer, let me know. Everyone is okay with this?
Yes.
He's
Yes, sir.
saying 3 mandatory, 1 is optional. Okay. Does anyone have any question on this? Are we okay? Good?
Sir, one
All
doubt,
the-
sir.
Tell me.
And this lookup value is mentioned in the bold color, sir. So is this means definitely we have to, which is a mandatory, sir. It's bold color lookup value.
Don't get confused. Did I mention anything about bold color or anything? No, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, no, sir.
Only simple thing. If it is into square bracket, optional. Otherwise, mandatory. That's it. Why it is into lookup value? Because I have to give the lookup value. If I choose lookup value 30, after this, what I need to enter?
Table
Comma.
array.
Comma.
Yeah.
Now it isn't going to which argument? Second
Table
argument,
array.
table array. Let's suppose table array is this. Example. Table array is this. Okay. Then comma. After this, what I need to put? Comma, right?
Comma.
Yeah.
Comma. What is now next is bold.
Column
Column.
index.
Got it now, right, Bhargav? What is bold?
Yes, sir.
White?
Got
What? Yes.
Got it, sir.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now you tell me. Limited and limited.
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 How many arguments?
2.
How many mandatory?
2.
Okay. Now. La la. Tell me. How many arguments?
2.
2 arguments.
How many optional?
No optional.
No.
Now tell me. Limited and limited.
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 How many of you are saying limited? And tell me what is that limited argument? Tell me the first argument. Okay, tell me the first argument here. Tell me the first argument name.
Array.
Second argument name.
K.
A.
Excellent. This answer is excellent. I simply asked what is the first argument. Someone said array. Yes, excellent answer. Second argument K. Yes. Now tell me what is first argument?
Nothing is there.
Nothing is there, sir.
Nothing is there. Then why you told limited argument function? Which is the argument? Tell me.
Not at all displaying the clear message. properly.
This is called no argument function. This is called
No
No.
argument.
no argument function. If I write now, tell me.
No
No
argument.
If I write pi, tell me.
No argument,
No
sir.
argument.
Argument
No
function.
argument. Sir.
If I write rand, tell me.
No argument.
If I write today function, it is this. If I open this file tomorrow, this date will be changed, yes or no?
It changes.
Now, with no argument function, if the value of the formula is getting changed automatically by the system, then those functions are called as a which function?
Volatile.
Volatile.
If value is getting changed. Example today. Example now. Tell me. How many arguments?
0.
0. No
No
argument.
argument function. Excellent. Now this value will be also changed after seconds, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is also volatile function.
Yes.
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 Okay, tell me pi. This pi is volatile, non-volatile?
Volatile.
Volatile.
Why volatile?
No arguments.
No, no argument function is fine. Okay. Now tell me,
Okay.
what is pi, by the way? What is the area of circle? Pi r square, yes or no? Guys, recently you passed out your 10, 12th, whatever statics or whatever math you studied, right? I still remember what is the area of circle. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
बोलो भाई सन्नाटा क्यों इतना?
Sir, fire square.
हाँ तो इसमें भी क्या शर्माना क्यों? नहीं सर नहीं आता है सर. Pi square नहीं आता है. Pi square, right? Pi is what? What is pi?
Constant.
Huh? 22/7, yes or no? Fast. What is pi value रे? एक बात बताओ रे भाई जल्दी. क्या है कुछ शर्मा रहे तुम? What is pi? Pi r square. You're telling me formula pi r square. What is pi? I'm asking. 22/7, yes or no?
3.14
Yes.
constant.
No, I'm not asking about the result. I'm asking what is pi. You can tell me 22/7. That's it. Result is this,
22/7.
right?
Yeah.
Same thing I can write here pi also. Pi. What is the result of pi?
Three.
Same result, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
This is also no argument function. So today this 3.14 pi value, tomorrow this pi value will become 23/7, right? Tomorrow it will be 24/7. Will it happen or not happen?
Hmm.
When you study math class, first day it used to be 22/7. Next day, did it happen 23/7?
Sir.
No, sir.
No. This pi value is not, this function is not a volatile. This is called a non-volatile. Why? Because the value will not be changed. Yes or no? This is non-volatile. Don't get confused with, see, first of all, it is no argument function. Yes, understood. No argument function, understood. No argument function, understood. Now, bifurcation of no argument function, volatile, non-volatile. Volatile means if the value is getting changed, volatile. Value is not getting changed, that is called non-volatile.
Not one.
That's it. Okay, is it clear?
Sir.
Yes.
Done. Now, you tell me, we have discussed three functions. First is unlimited argument. Second, we discuss limited
Limited.
argument functions. Third is
No argument.
No argument. Next.
no argument. Excellent. Now, if I write here sum of 10, 20, 30, result will be 60, right? Sum function is what? Limited, unlimited.
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 Yes. Here I write COUNTIF. Range criteria. Here I will write today. Today, right? Now tell me, which function do you feel that easy? Limited, unlimited, or argument? No argument.
Or
No argument.
No argument function easy to write. Excellent. After this?
limited.
Unlimited.
After this?
Unlimited.
Tell me. Someone said limited. Okay. I'll write VLOOKUP. Limited, unlimited. Tell me. Limited, unlimited argument function, guys.
It's a limit.
Limited.
Okay. This is VLOOKUP is limited. Remember this. VLOOKUP is limited. Okay. And sum. Tell me sum function limited, unlimited.
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 In 10, 20, 30, I'm giving 10, 20, 30. Result is 60, done. Sum function is a unlimited argument. Now tell me, this is easy, this is easy.
Some easy.
Hmm?
Some easy.
Unlimited, right? Do you think limited is easy? VLOOKUP is easy, kya? Sum if. This is easy for you to write?
Yes.
Huh?
No, sir.
Sum if is easy for you or sum is easy for you? As of now, I'm asking, as of now.
Sum is easy.
Some is easy.
Limited is mentioned.
The only point is, by sounding, it is looking like limited is easy, but no, limited is not easy, unlimited is easy. First, no argument, second, unlimited, and third is limited. Clear? By sounding, it looks like, yes, limited is second one, and third, unlimited is third one. No argument, unlimited, limited. Okay, done. Now let's go there and check it. Input ways type. How many input ways?
3 types.
What are
MRF.
these? MRF. Yes. Manual, reference, and formula type. Formula are 3 types based on arguments. Limited, unlimited, no argument. Limited, unlimited, and no argument. Limited, VLOOKUP, sum if, count if, match. Unlimited, max, sum, average. No argument today now. Got it? Argument type, mandatory and optional. Optional argument will be in square bracket. Yeah? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Now, input data type. Text, serial number, index, num, xyn, range, array, logical output, value criteria. These things we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay? Input data type. Input data type can be like text. It can be number. It can be logical. It can be error type. Apart from this, do you see anything else which we can enter in the Excel? What you can enter in Excel? Number? Yes or no? You can
Yes.
enter number. You can enter name, text. You can enter date. You can enter time. You can enter logical, true, false, or you can enter error. Apart from this, do you think that you can enter anything else or the symbols. Symbols also, by the way, consider as a text only, by the way. If I'm writing this will be also considered as a text only, okay? Apart from this, do you see any other thing which we can enter in Excel? No, right? So these things we'll discuss. Input data type, what you can give, what is important and not important, that we'll discuss tomorrow. Very, very important. If you are clear on this fundamentals plus reference styles. I told you earlier that don't get confused with dollar symbols. So that topic also we'll discuss. If you are clear on these two things, guys, trust me, you can write any function. Because for next 4 to 5 days, your class will be only on formulas. There will be so many functions, text functions, based on text, date and time functions, based on date and time functions. Can you see here all these function name? Logicals function we'll discuss based on operating this comparison operators. Okay. Information functions, statistical, mathematical functions. Everything we'll discuss, and for next 4 to 5 days, it will be only on formulas. But if you're clear on these two tabs, you'll be all set. This part also we'll discuss tomorrow. I'll explain what is dollar symbol, what is importance to it, what are the reference styles, relative, absolute, and mixed reference. That we'll discuss in detail tomorrow. But as of today, whatever we discussed today, are we clear on this? Okay, tell me input ways. Let's have a recap. How many types of input ways?
3.
What are these?
Manual, reference, and formula.
Yes, MRF. Okay, done. What are the, based on the argument types, tell me how many argument type functions are there? Formula types.
So-
Tell me formula types. Formula types. Tell me. Based on arguments, how many formula types are there?
So, sir,
Hmm.
limited and unlimited.
Yes. And
Limited and unlimited.
and
No
yeah, correct.
argument.
No argument.
Yes.
No argument.
That's it.
Yeah.
Then why are you taking so long to answer this question? Limited, unlimited, no argument. Excellent. Okay, how can you tell me that this argument is mandatory, this is optional? Tell me. How can you identify that this argument is mandatory or this argument is optional?
If the argument is
So-
in square bracket, then it is known as optional argument. If the argument it is not in square bracket, then it is known as the
Excellent. Excellent.
normal argument.
And how can you tell me that how many arguments are there? How will identify that? Okay, 3 arguments there, 4 arguments there. Based on what?
Comma.
Based on
Comma.
comma.
Excellent. Excellent. Yes. Okay. So see, I promise you that after the session today, you will tell me that everything, this fundamentals. Now, are you clear on this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Then see you tomorrow. We'll discuss rest of the things in formula and reference styles. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Till the time, please practice. See you tomorrow, same time, 9:30. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.